Hello guys, how are you? Today we're going to check a review from the words that we saw this week from vocabulary and spelling. Now let's practice. Please repeat with me. D-R-O-U-G-H-T. Drought. Hurricane. Hurricane. Volcano. Volcano. Tsunami. Tsunami. Burst. Burst. Crash. Crash. Destroy. Destroy. Elevator. Elevator. Electricity. Electricity. Drums. Drums. The next exercise is about to be super cool because you have to check with your finger on the screen the correct answer. From these two images, which of them is get under? What do you think is the answer? Do you remember the words that we saw? One of these is the correct answer. What do you think it is? Great! Well done. So you have answered correctly. Now, from these two, which is symbols? Remember that you have to check with your finger the screen. Great! Well done, guys. So, next one. Which of the pictures is flood? Remember that we saw both of them. Do you know what it is? Great! This is flood. Now, we have another two pictures. Which of the picture is gas stove? Remember to check with your finger. Pim! Well done, guys. And now, the last one. Which of the pictures is destroy? Remember that these are similar, but the action is different. Which of the pictures is destroy? Great! This is destroy. Excellent, guys. From now we have finished with our review, so please practice, put this video many times because it is fun, and thank you for your hard work, guys. Good job. See you next Monday.